Welcome to World Wisdom. Ever pondered about the magic behind the devices you use every day? This marvel is the result of a fascinating interplay between technology and computer science. Technology, at its core, is an extension of our human capabilities. It's the wheel that made transportation easier, the smartphone in your hand, and even the internet connecting us all. It's continually evolving, not just enhancing our physical abilities, but also our ways of thinking and communicating. Technology is not just about gadgets, it's a significant part of our culture and communication. But what about the brains behind these technologies? Welcome to the world of computer science. This field is all about the study of computers and computational systems, and it's far more than just programming or information technology. From healthcare to entertainment, computer science's applications spread across a myriad of industries, making our daily lives more efficient. It's the secret ingredient that brings technology to life, solving complex problems that we don't even realize exist. Computer science is the engine that powers the technology around us. So how have computers evolved over time? It all started with simple mechanical calculators to help with arithmetic. But the real breakthrough came when pioneers like Ada Lovelace and Alan Turing began to see the potential of machines that could process more than just numbers. The world wars and the space race played a pivotal role, accelerating technological advancements and pushing the boundaries of what was possible. These events led to the development of early computers that were the size of entire rooms. As technology advanced, so did the form of data we used. We transitioned from analog, a continuous signal, to digital, a discrete signal, which brought us into the era of digital computers. Then came the microprocessors and integrated circuits, shrinking these room-sized machines into devices that could sit on your desk. This marked the birth of personal computers, giving everyday people unprecedented access to computing power. Computers have come a long way shaping the world we live in. What's the latest in the tech world? Well, the Internet of Things, or IoT, is making our lives more connected than ever. Imagine your coffee maker communicating with your alarm clock to brew a fresh pot as you wake up. But it's not all convenience, as privacy and security concerns are on the rise with these smart devices. And let's not forget about blockchain, a technology that promises secure transactions and has potential far beyond cryptocurrencies. The future of technology looks exciting and sometimes a bit daunting. Wondering about a career in this fascinating field? The tech landscape is brimming with diverse opportunities, from software development and data science to cybersecurity and beyond. The key to navigating this exciting terrain is lifelong learning. It's about building a robust portfolio, honing your skills, and staying updated on industry trends. Networking also plays a crucial role, connecting you to mentors, peers, and opportunities. In the world of technology and computer science, the opportunities are as vast as your imagination. So, what have we learned today? We've seen how technology extends our human capabilities, and how computer science drives these technological advancements. From the evolution of computers to current trends, we've explored this interconnected world. Stay curious, and keep exploring the incredible world of technology and computer science.